Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can sign in slash login on your Bluesky social account. So when you come to log into Bluesky, so it will be bsky.app. Okay, that's it. You don't need the settings right here. That is the link. So you come here, this will be the main website. Come here, click on sign in. And then this is our account we've already added. So basically the hosting provider should be Bluesky Social. Okay, you want to choose that, and then the account should be your handle for your profile. So mine is pioneer2713.bluesky.social. Then enter your password. Let me enter my password real quick, and then it's really easy and simple. Once you enter your password, click on next, and you will be signing into your Bluesky account. And it's really that easy and simple. As you can see, guys, I'm now signed in. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.